Hey guys, Pelper here with the Roller Man. Just wanted to show you guys the newest addition to the fleet. So we just got this delivered to us. That was just a few days back, about 4 or 5 days ago. Ended up picking this up from Taylor Equipment. So my sales guy Chris was awesome to deal with. He went above and beyond to help get everything I needed, go over everything. I'd been looking at tons of machines, went and looked at Bobcat and Kubota and, New Holland, Coyote, looked at quite a few, kept coming back to this one. One, the cab was a lot more spacious. I liked the way everything was ergonomically set up inside. Has a fantastic warranty, and that was another big thing, especially, I'd been looking for used equipment for a while, couldn't find anything for a decent price that was taken care of, so started looking new. And it's it's a big jump to go that way, but with the pricing on these in comparison to what you get with others, it's pretty significant. And the warranty there, again, 3 years, 3,000 hours, better than anybody else's out there. And it comes fully equipped. It's got everything you could possibly need in it, or at least for me. But yeah, Chris ended up bringing that to the going and grabbing it and bringing it to the shop for me. Like I say, he was awesome to deal with.
Ask, how'd you hear about this machine?
Actually on YouTube.
Really?
Dirt Perfect.
Dirt Perfect?
Yeah. It's well, I've been looking at them for a while.
Where'd you get this from?
Taylor Construction Equipment.
Ohio, all the way down to Mississippi. Wow. We have the Hyundais. We have Bell articulating trucks. We have Sakai rollers, like Fecon attachments, stuff like that.
So you deal with Sakai rollers?
I know you'll be needing one of those.
See how nice that is? Nice. That's good.
I'm gonna let it keep going.
Yeah.
Let it warm up a little bit. Then we'll throw you in it.
Woohoo! Yeah, go over the easy stuff. Also, it does have a case return on it too. Ooh, it smells new. most of the Bobcats I get in don't smell good.
So, easiest thing to remember. Every time you lift these up, you're gonna put the parking brake on automatically.
Right.
Take the parking brake off. How do you think you do that?
No idea.
It took me 15 minutes, so don't worry about it. I kept hitting the parking brake. You're right, the parking brake, the red one. See back there?
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's not it. Hit the green button in front of it. That takes the parking brake off. So if you throw this dial right there, the throttle off.
Right.
Or if you want, say you run
Gas
this,
pedal.
gas pedal.
Yep.
Which is nice, so you're at a certain speed and you get to a dirt pile and you want to throttle off a little bit more.
Just hit it.
Just hit it and go.
Yep.
It's the little things like that I love.
The windshield wiper.
It's all there. I love the fact that they got defrosting it loads on the windshield.
Yeah.
And they delivered it, which was really, really nice of them.
Okay, well, what I'm gonna do, just gonna play around a little bit, kind of get used to some of the controls, but yeah, that's much better.
got an old garden here that they want to turn back into grass. Actually got 3 or 4 gardens in here. So it's a little wet today, but we came in, Roller Man came in here. He's going to try to take the high spots down. He'll be back probably when it's drier and put a final grade on it, but right now he's taking the high spots down. Where they had been tilling, the edges, some of the edges was really built up and some of them was cut down pretty low. So you can see he did a pretty good job even though it was wet. Pretty wet.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're very excited to be expanding the Roller Man's capabilities. If you need anything, please give us a call. And just one more time, thanks again to Taylor Equipment for all their help. And don't forget to subscribe.